Hi there are two systems in your body. There's the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic. The sympathetic and the parasympathetic. The parasympathetic system is a system that when it is turned on, your body begins to heal itself. You know, your body has the power to heal itself. Your body is like a doctor in itself, it has its own healing mechanism. That's why when you have a cut, your body begins to clot and it begins to, even without treatments, after a while it begins to heal and heal itself. Your body has an immune system as well that can fight diseases, free radicals, that compromise brain health, and so on and so forth. So what turns on that system is called the parasympathetic system. And without wasting much time, I want to talk about 5 things you can do to turn on your parasympathetic system. The most important one is to do what you are called to do what you love. Like, for example, somebody who loves to acting would activate his parasympathetic nervous system. His body will begin to heal itself. People who love investing. People who love football, playing football. People who love rapping or singing, rapping. People who love law. Hi there. Would you like to break limiting patterns in your life? Would you like to discontinue habits and build new habits? Would you like to have a positive mindset? Would you like to increase your proactivity, stop procrastination, strengthen your willpower? I'm facilitating a class on reprogramming the subconscious and building discipline. In those 2 classes, you'll be able to find the tools, necessary tools, to achieve these things and make these things possible. You see, I'm a testimony to the things I'm going to be teaching at these programs. I was able to use some of these tools to beat depression. I overcame suicidal thoughts and tendencies using these tools. I've been able to form new habits and build an amazing pattern of achieving great things in my life. Now, I was able to use some of these tools to memorize 14 books of the Bible. I was able to use some of these tools to overcome my addiction to football, to overcome an addiction to sugar and carbonated soft drinks. And I'm inviting you to take part in this training. In this training, you will learn these tools and you'll be able to create the life you want. Scan the link in the description and I look forward to seeing you. Do have an amazing day and bye for now. Or architecture, doing what you love, doing work that you love is the most important factor to activating your parasympathetic system. The other 4 things you can do is number 1, exercise. Very powerful. Fasting. Very, very powerful. Playing with animals. Socializing with good friends. That's also very, very powerful. It releases feel-good hormones like endorphins, oxytocin, the bonding hormone, serotonin and all that. Powerful. Even dopamine. And then, of course, doctors say that sex also can increase or can activate the system. But sex only for married couples. If you are not married, sex will activate your sympathetic rather than parasympathetic. So it will weaken. That's why HIV kills the immune system. Can you see? So it's only for married couples alone. All right. So those are the things you can do to activate your parasympathetic system. Once again, I'll go through it. Doing work that you love. Work that is in line with your purpose and your calling. Number 2, fasting. Number 3, exercise. Number 4, socializing with good friends. Number 5, playing with animals. Number 6, sex. Let me talk about 6 things to activate the sympathetic system. Number 1, working in a toxic environment. Number 2, being in a toxic relationship. Number 3, being unfulfilled, working outside your purpose. Number 4, binge eating, gaining weight, excessive weight. Number 5, sitting for too long, being sedentary, where you don't move your body. The more you move, the less you die. The less you move, the more you die. And then finally, having illicit, immoral sex. Those are the 6 factors that can activate the sympathetic system. Guess what? I want to give credit to this woman, Lisa Rankin. She wrote the best health book I've ever read. It's called Mind Over Medicine. I want to recommend that book to every one of you watching this video. Mind Over Medicine, Lisa Rankin. The greatest health book I've ever read by far. The greatest health book. And I learned a lot of these things from Lisa Rankin. God bless you. Do have an amazing day and bye for that. Hi there. I'm Adekomi Olusonya, publisher of the Immersion Bible, and I will get you addicted to the Word of God. Line upon line, precept upon precept. If you want access to any of my books, products, training or coaching services, scan the link right here. And Kemi sends her love. Do have an amazing day and bye for now.